Okay, so we're solving for x, and we have 5x plus 26 equals 101. So the short version of that is we could just open our calculator and try each of these values. And we could say 15, store x, enter, and then type in the equation, 5x plus 26. And we get 101. So we know the answer is 15. Another thing we could have done is substitute each value in the place of the x, like 5 parentheses, put the 15 in there, and plus 26, and if we get 101, that would be it. And of course, the A choice is not always going to be the correct answer. Just in this one, we got lucky. But the longer version of this is 5x plus 26 equals 101. We want to, of course, subtract 26 from both sides. 26 cancels out. We get 5x equals whatever 101 minus 26 is, which is 75. That means 5 times something equals 75. We would figure that out by dividing through by 5. And we get x equals 15. Thanks for watching.